We had a breakdown on floor 3, and we gotta get a spare motor instantly. Checking the stock, how do we know which motor will make it good to go? It's all in the nameplate, bro. Word? That's right. Yo, check the nameplate. It's all in code on the industrial motor. We got specs to unfold. What do we have here? Horsepower's first, how strong it'll run. RPM revolutions, that's how it's spun. Voltage up next, showing the juice it needs. Next, the phase type tells it how the power feeds. Single or 3-phase, gotta get it right, or the plant will explode with all its might. Oh snap, we better not let that happen. Full load amps, yeah, that current it draws. Running too high, you'll be breaking some laws. Yeah, we don't need to be sued or be on the news. Yeah, efficiency's listed, keeping things clean. Saving on energy, the best you've seen. Service factors here, extra load in the mix. But don't push too far, that's a dangerous fix. Insulation class, it's heat protection. Keeps it cool under all that tension. Can we slow down? It's quite a drain. All this info's flooding my brain. 3 cycles telling how long it can run. Continuous or short burst till the job's done. You got the bearings, keep it sound. Don't forget to grease them all around. And finally the frame size too, making sure it's the fit for you. With all this motor data, now you know what to do. Yeah! When failure strikes, don't scream and hide. Get a new motor to turn the tide. So check that nameplate, it's the holy grail. Follow it to the letter and you won't fail. That's right, word to all the techs, specialists, and plant floor managers holding it down. Keep those motors running, we're going on.